Hello. I am your friend Luz Alice. Are you in the mood to create an unforgettable dish today? If you are, I would love to show you a recipe that is simple, comforting, and full of flavor. Today we're making chicken with mushrooms in homemade gravy. A delicious home-style recipe that's perfect for a family dinner. Let's get started. This recipe uses simple ingredients, but together they create a rich and satisfying dish. Tender chicken thighs cook slowly in a savory gravy while mushrooms add depth and wonderful flavor. It's one of those meals that makes the whole kitchen smell amazing. For this recipe we are using boneless chicken thighs, onion, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, cornstarch, olive oil, chicken broth, and fresh mushrooms. Simple ingredients that come together to make a beautiful homemade dish. Let's prepare the marinade. First, place the chicken in a bowl. Add chopped onion, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, cornstarch, a little salt and pepper. Mix everything well, so the chicken absorbs all the flavors. Then add the olive oil and let the chicken rest for about 15 minutes. This short marinade helps the chicken stay juicy and flavorful. Now we're going to sear the chicken. Heat a skillet over medium heat. Place the chicken pieces in the pan and let them sear. Turn them occasionally so they brown lightly on both sides. As the chicken cooks, it will begin to release its natural juices. Now let's prepare the gravy. In a small bowl mix the chicken broth, soy sauce, and cornstarch. Pour this mixture into the skillet. Soon the sauce will begin to thicken and turn into a rich homemade gravy. Now it's time to add the mushrooms. Once the gravy begins to simmer, add the sliced mushrooms. Cover the pan and allow everything to cook together for a few minutes. The mushrooms absorb the flavors of the sauce while the chicken finishes cooking. The result is tender chicken in a savory gravy with delicious mushrooms. Serve this dish hot. This chicken pairs beautifully with our creamy green spaghetti. You'll find the link to that recipe in the description of this video. It also goes beautifully with mashed potatoes or rice. The gravy makes every bite comforting and full of flavor. I hope this recipe has met your expectations and inspired you to cook something delicious at home. Thank you very much for visiting our kitchen today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give us a like, and tap the bell, so you receive a notification every time we upload a new recipe. See you very soon. Have a wonderful day.